Okay, I'm doing this quick video to show somebody or anybody that needs this information. I found this out myself, but I have a Soundcraft UI24r that was permanently mounted in a rack, and it was hit by lightning, blew the power supply, and at that point I only had a couple options. The first option is to repair it myself, which I'm not that familiar with switch mode power supplies and how to fix it. This is the power supply that was in it. Or purchase a new one, and the only one I could find online was from the Netherlands, and they wanted over $200 to ship it to the United States. So what I decided to do is, I have one of these mixers myself. I took my mixer, opened it up, and measured across the power supply, and it measured 19 volts. So I thought, well, let me connect 19 volts to this damaged one here. There it is right there, and it powered up, and it was pulling about 2 amps. So I thought to myself, what else is 19 volts? Well, a standard laptop power supply. So I took one of these, which is an HP, it came from an HP laptop. I think it was an HP ProBook. And this is about I think it's a 19 volts, 7 amp charger. So I took that and wired it in from the side here. As you can see, I drilled a hole in the bottom and put hot glue, covered up the original power supply input and switch, ran it in through the inside, connected it to this connector, which on this connector, all it needs is the 2 outer connections. The white one is positive, the one on the opposite end, the black one, is negative. So all you have to do is put 19 volts to that connector, which I wired it in right here. It's coming in from the side, right there. And just wired it into this connector. I bypassed the 2 middle pins, just used the 2 outer pins, connected up to there, and it powered on. Let me show you right now that it will power on. So here's the charger, and we're going to plug it in right here. Got it hooked up to this screen right here. It's plugged into the side here. It goes to this screen. There it is, starting up. So the machine itself only draws about 2 amps. So I needed something at least 2 amps or larger, so I went with the larger laptop power supply that I had laying around. And I think it's a 7 amp charger. But as you can see here, it is booting up. I know it's not the most elegant fix, but it will get you back up and running if you have one that has a failed power supply and you can't do anything with it because you can't find the parts or repair the power supply. This is an option. This is the way we're going to use it. And if the lightning ever fails this one, it'd be pretty easy to replace. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.